Okay, so the day has finally arrived. Today I'm going to be finally building my PC. I've been looking to get a PC for video editing for some time, and over the last 6 months or so I've been thinking about the different parts I was going to get, thinking about how they would go together. And I've built a couple of computers before for my children for gaming, and I've been managing myself with a MacBook plugged into an ultra-wide monitor. And while it looks great in the ultra-wide monitor, the processing is just not there for video editing. So this is what I'm going to be building myself today. Like I said, I've been thinking about all these parts, thinking about how I wanted to put them together for the last 6 months or so. But the big problem is I've been waiting for parts in particular. And the processor has been the main one that's been holding me back. With the release of Ryzen 9, I wanted to get the 3950X. And I was waiting, it was meant to be released this month. But unfortunately that's been pushed back 2 months to November. And I've got all the other parts sitting waiting to be used. So I've gone ahead and got myself a Ryzen 9 3900X. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see how that performs over the next few months. I think I'll probably be happy enough with it, although if I'm not, I can upgrade it when the 3950X is released. Other parts, I've got the Lian-Li PC-O11 Dynamic Razer Edition. This is one of the first bits that I got. I absolutely love this case. I got a really good deal on it when it was first released. I got it even cheaper than the standard version. It has some extras. I quite like the Razer styling. It's extra lights underneath, and I actually got a free Razer gaming mouse with it, so it was a great deal, and it's a lovely case, so I'm really looking forward to building on it. For the motherboard, I've got MSI's X570 Creation. Like I said, this isn't a gaming PC. Although I'll do a bit of gaming on it, it's mostly for content creation. And this looks to be a really, really solid motherboard. There's loads and loads of USB ports. There's 10 gigabyte LAN connection on it, and you can put up to 4 SSDs M.2 into it. There's 2 directly into the board, and it comes with a little extender in it that lets you put another 2 into it. And the way I want to work with my files, this is going to work very well for me. And the board's got great cooling on it, so it should handle the Ryzen 9 very well. Looking at the other parts then from memory, I picked up this kit of Trident Z Neo, 3600 megahertz. It's made specifically for this processor, so hopefully I'll get good performance out of it. We've got just a standard 850 watt power supply from Corsair. I've got 3 M.2 SSD drives here, the Samsung 970 EVO. We've got the ROG Strix 2080 Ti. So when I was looking at the reviews, definitely having the 11 gigabytes of VRAM made a real difference in video editing. The 8 is probably just about okay, but to future-proof it a little bit, I've gone for the 2080 Ti. It'll also won't hurt for the gaming as well. Now this is one of the really cool bits. It's Deepcool's new Castle 360EX all-in-one CPU cooler. When I first seen this on YouTube, I really, really loved it, and I had to get it. So I've made contact with Deepcool, and they've managed to send me this over before it's released in the UK. So I'm looking forward to getting this into my build. The block for the CPU cooler looks absolutely amazing, and you can actually customize it as well. So I may or may not put a Razer logo into it, because this is the theme of this build, as you're going to see with some of the other parts, is going to be a Razer build. I'm not so keen on the standard black fans that don't have any RGB on them, so I'm going to replace those with the Corsair LL120 fans, and we're going to have a total of 9 of these fans in the build. Now on to the aesthetics. We've got a few things here. So I've got some green and black cables from CableMod. We've got some fan grills. There's a company, Corsair, who make customizable products for PCs. So I've got 3 of these for the fans at the bottom, which are going to be installed the wrong way round. We've got, they've also got a few other products. So I've got a lovely RGB backplate for the 2080 Ti. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this goes. And they've made also a little plate as well, which covers the radiator and fans at the top. So really looking forward to putting this together. Really excited, like I say, 6 months in the planning. So hopefully the build goes well. So let's get into the building.
Burning bridges to the ground, so take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly, just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.